there, this is Saifur Rahman from the Saifur YouTube channel. Here in this video, I am here in Microsoft Excel. So, as a beginner, we face this problem in Microsoft Excel. The problem is when you want to insert 0 in front of any numbers. For example, maybe you have a lot of numbers like these numbers, but you need to put the 0 in front of these numbers. Okay, now you have put it. Now you've put the number. Now if you click in another cells, now you can see the problem is you are not seeing the you cannot see the 0 in front of those numbers, but you have put the number. So why is this happening? In reality, we don't need to provide the 0 in front of any numbers. Usually we say 1, 2, 3, 4, but we don't say 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, right? So Microsoft Excel working like this, but obviously there is a solution to solve this problem. So today I'm here to solve this problem. So if you want to solve this problem, so you have to go this cells that you want to put 0, and then right click on the cells, and then there you have format cells. Just click on this option. Here you have a lot of tab like number, alignment, font, border, field, protection. So we will take care of it about later. Now you have to select the custom category. We have I have selected the numbers tab, and in the number tab we have category options. So there is a lot of category, but we have to select the custom category. And now in the custom category, in the right side, you can see I have a sample bar and the type bar. So I have in the type bar a lot of presets, but in this preset I will talk about it later. But right now I don't need to talk about it, because just select any presets and then just select the type bar, and you can see the mouse cursor is doing pop-up. So now backspace and then press 0. Make sure you are pressing 0 until the 0 add in the number. So how could you find that the 0 is added? So you can see the sample bar. If you want to put as a 0, so just select these things and then insert the 0 until you get the 0 in front of those numbers in the sample bar, you can see. So when you have and when you are satisfied, just press OK. Now we can see I have put it as 0. So when you have a multiple cells, just for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 5, 8, 9. So I want to put the 0 in front of these numbers, but you cannot see the 0. So I'm going to make it copy for multiple numbers, so I can change the number as usual, just for example. So okay, now I want to add 0 in front of those numbers or cells. Just select those cells and then right click, format cells, and then go custom, and then just go type and then delete this because I don't need, and then put 0 until you get the 0 in front of those numbers and press OK. So thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you learn a little bit from this video, don't forget to like this video, and if you are new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you again in another tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.